This short guide explains how to buy shares of Corsair Gaming Inc., which trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CRSR. Corsair produces PC components and gaming peripherals. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CRSR to find Corsair Gaming Inc. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ so you locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's the right security. Double-check the CRSR ticker and NASDAQ label before continuing. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio. For the example linked to eToro, check the description below this video.